What's going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and setup of the Razer Kishi iPhone controller. Now, I do want to thank Razer for sending us this, and I'm super excited to check this thing out because it does look awesome. They also have this for Android phones, but we're going to be taking a look at the iPhone model specifically. Now, if you guys could smash a like button as I'm going over it, because I'm about to get it out of this box so we could take a look at it. Also want to say the controller itself costs $100, so we're going to see if it's worthy of that $100 price tag here in just a second, but here it is, guys. This is it. All right, it does look nice. Now, it does extend outwards. I got to figure out how we get that going exactly. I think you got to like unlatch the back, but let's see what else is in the box here. Okay, so it looks like we got like a little welcome pamphlet, pretty much expected. And it looks like we got some stickers below, which those look pretty sweet. Some Razer stickers. All right, yeah, there we go. All right, cool. I like the stickers. I think you could put those on the controller, but I'm not really gonna mess around with that. Let's figure out how we get this thing unlatched and you know, get an iPhone in it so we can start playing some games with it, right? Okay, so you basically unlatch it like that. It extends outwards, and you can see the port where you you know, basically plug your iPhone in right there. Now, this thing also has some rubber grips on the sides of it, so you can actually take those out, which I'm going to show you right here. All right, yeah, so those rubber grippers come off. I would imagine that you could take those off if you're using a case on your iPhone. That would probably make sense. But the iPhone I'm going to grab here to test this thing out with right now is going to be the SE2. So I'm going to grab my SE right here. Now, you do have to download an app, the Razer Kishi app, in order to get this controller working. Also, the cool thing about this thing is that you don't exactly have to charge it, because when you plug your iPhone into it, it's going to take the juice from your iPhone in order to get the thing turned on, which is pretty cool. There is a charging port for this controller as well, though, but honestly, you don't really need it if it's just going to take some of the battery from your iPhone. All right, so you can see I've got it basically ready to go. It turned on right there on the right. It's got a nice fit to it for sure. And now it's time to get some gameplay going with it. So we're going to check out two different games. I want to play a little bit more of this warp drive just to see how the controller works, button control, the feel, and then we'll also check out some COD mobile, you know, when I'm done with this game. But I got to tell you, I'm pretty excited to check this thing out, because as long as it works right, then, you know, I got to say this thing is very cool. I mean, very cool. All right, warp drive. This is kind of like a newer racing game on Apple Arcade. Definitely enjoyed playing it. So far, the buttons are working. So I'm already tapping some buttons here. As you can see, things look pretty good. Let's see if it plays good on this game. Yeah, this thing is really cool, though, for sure. I love these mobile controllers. All right, let's put in some work here. All right, so this is basically the moment of truth. We're going to see if this this works, like right out the gate. Oh, yeah, look at that. All right. Oh, yeah. Look at that button control right there, man. All right, so everything's working perfect, as you can see. Wow. Wow. This is actually working a lot better than I expected. Now, the reason I wanted to play a racing game with this is because I had, you know, seen some previous videos with people using this controller, and it seemed to work good on racing games, so that's why I wanted to kind of test a racing game out first. But of course, if it works on, you know, COD mobile, I mean, that's what I'm talking about right there, which we'll find out just shortly here. Man, the button control on this is, I mean, yeah, I mean, it feels really good. I mean, I'm impressed right now. That's all I'm saying. All right, cool. All right, now let's, we got some low battery here. Let's get on to some COD mobile. See if it works on here. Another quick test. Also, if you guys have any questions about this controller, feel free to message me below in the comments, but I am impressed with it. Struggling to hit the X right there. Now, what I'm curious here is to see if when it's playing COD Mobile, if you can actually get every single thing to work. I'm talking about like ducking, shooting, reloading, zooming in. I'm going to find out right now if this controller can do basically what it promises. All right, we got the reload right there. You saw that. All right, shooting works. Wow. Okay, yeah, it does everything, guys. So it does work for COD Mobile. Probably one of the questions a lot of people would ask. You know, at least that's what I would ask, since this is like one of the best, you know, multiplayer shooting games right now, first person wise. And yeah, I mean, this is nice. This is super nice. Yeah, so it does everything. I mean, reload, shoots, aims, you know, you can crouch. Finally got killed right there. All right, so I'm not going to finish that match, but I'm going to be doing more with this controller. I want to test it out with some other iPhones like the iPhone 12 and a couple others. But, you know, right out the box, this thing is impressive. You know, we'll see what other games it does work with. If you guys want to check it out or learn more about it, I'll throw some resource links in both the description and comments. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.